Good morning, students. In the previous class, we started with the new chapter, our environment, and there we learned that our environment is the area in which we live in. And we learned that there are basically two components in our environment, grouped as biotic and abiotic. Biotic includes all living things and abiotic includes all non-living things. All these components are related to each other and dependent on each other for their survival. And this interdependency in the environment maintains the balance in the ecosystem. But there are some instances which contaminate this environment, and this process is known as pollution. So let's see what pollution is. Pollution is the situation which occurs when harmful substances contaminate the environment, which means pollution occurs when unwanted substances are present in our environment, and this in turn contaminate our environment. And the harmful substances that pollute the environment is known as pollutants. So, pollution occurs when unwanted substances or harmful substances are present in the environment, and these harmful substances or the unwanted substances are known as pollutants. Now, let's see the harmful effect of pollution. So, when pollution occurs, it contaminates the environment, and this in turn leads to imbalances in nature. That means, when pollution occurs, it affects the existence of both living as well as non-living components. That means, it affects the biotic as well as the abiotic components of the environment, and this in turn leads to imbalances in the nature. So, pollution is a situation when unwanted substances are present in the environment. These unwanted substances affects both biotic as well as abiotic components in the environment, which leads to imbalances in the nature. Now let's see the types of pollution. Basically, there are four types of pollution, and they are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So there are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. First, let's see what air pollution is. Air pollution is the introduction or release of harmful substances into air. We learned that pollution is the release of unwanted substances into the atmosphere. So, air pollution is a type of pollution in which the harmful substances are present in the air. You have to note the point. Air pollution is the process in which harmful substances or unwanted substances are present in the air. The substances that contaminate or pollute air are known as air pollutants. So, the unwanted substances or harmful substances present in the air that contaminate air is known as air pollutants. And examples for the air pollutants include dust, fumes, mist, smoke, aerosols and gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. So, air pollutants include dust, fumes, mist, smoke, aerosols, gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. What are the sources of these air pollutants in the atmosphere? This include smoke and gas emission from factories, motor vehicle emission, burning of fossil fuels, open burning of garbage waste and smoking. So, the sources of air pollutants in the atmosphere include the smoke and gas emission from factories, motor vehicle emission, burning of fossil fuels, open burning of garbage waste and smoking. Fossil fuels are those fuels formed by natural processes. They are formed from the remains of dead plants and animals, and examples include coal, natural gas, etc. Now let's see the effects of air pollution in human beings. It affects the lungs of human beings, it causes respiratory diseases, it damages eyes, it damages skin, and it affects our heart and kidneys when exposed for a longer time. So, when a human being or an animal is exposed to air pollutants for a longer time, it can gradually affect the heart and kidneys of the individual. So, the effects of air pollution include damaging lungs, causing respiratory diseases, damaging eyes and skin, and longer exposure to these air pollutants can affect the heart and kidneys of the organism. So, we learned that air pollution is a situation in which unwanted or harmful substances are present in the air, and these harmful substances are called air pollutants. There we learned that air pollutants include harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. How it affects our atmosphere? Let's see. So, the harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide released from the industries or factories are present in our atmosphere, and these mix up with the rain droplets and makes the rain acidic. When the rain becomes acidic, it gradually affects the growth of plants as well as it affects the soil that enables the growth of plants. So, when the nitrogen dioxide or sulfur dioxide released from industries or factories mix up with rain droplets, it increases the pH level of the rain. It affects the plants as well as the soil in which it grows. This kind of rain in which the pH of the rainwater is acidic is referred to as acid rain. So, the harmful gases such as oxides of sulfur and nitrogen produced by industries mix up with raindrops and makes the rain acidic. So, the harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide produced by industries mix up with rain droplets and make the rain highly acidic. This kind of rain is known as acid rain and it kills plants as well as it makes the soil unable for growing plants. It also pollutes lakes and ponds and kills fishes and other animals that are dependent on this water system. So this is all about the acid rain. Now let's do an activity in page number 150. There are 3 questions given and you have to choose the right options. The first question, the non-living factors of the environment. The options are soil, air, plants, heat and water. The answers are soil, air, heat and water. So the non-living factors of the environment in the given options include soil, air, heat and water. The second question, the harmful substances polluting the environment. Options are reactants, pollutants. The answer is pollutants. The harmful substances polluting the environment is pollutants. The third question, the factors that cause pollution include, the options are smoke from vehicles, burning of plastics, loud music, fine particles of ash and coal. The answers are smoke from vehicles, burning of plastics, fine particles of ash and coal. So the factors that cause air pollution in the given options include smoke from vehicles, burning of plastics, fine particles of ash and coal. So today we learned about pollution. In specific, we learned about air pollution and air pollutants. We also learned about acid rain. I hope the topics were clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.